Hi everybody, it's Lyn from BeeBeeCraft Designs. Yes, I'm in quarantine, and yes, I've been sick this week. But I do have a BeeBeeCraft unboxing. So excuse my voice if you can. I got this gorgeous selection of glass beads. This 10 count of the jewelry beads is crackle glass. These are some gorgeous colors. I love that amber and the purple and these yellow and pink ones right here. You know I'm not a pink girl, but these are stunning. I don't know why they remind me of ice cream. So anyway, that's the crackle glass. Then I've got this 15 color, which I believe is the, I'm not even gonna say. It may be the bright selection of the pearls, but I'm not sure. So I'm always running out of pearls, so that is the reason why I wanted this selection. Again, those are so pretty, and I love those brown. I mean, I love them all. Those are really pretty. Alright. Then I've got these, I don't know what you call them. These are a variegated, I guess, tone. And once again, they're stunning. Now these purple are a bit different. These are like grays and stuff mixed with them than these are. These are almost a purple on purple. They're really just so pretty. I know I always love the natural ones, but I love those turquoise right there too. And once again, there are variations of the turquoise. Turquoise and white, white and turquoise, and then a turquoise on turquoise, I guess. Same with the pink, white and pink. Pink on pink. These may actually have a little purple in with them. They're just really gorgeous. I even like these white and red. So pretty. Alright. Then last but not least, of course you know, my favorite. Not to open, but they're fantastic. They come in these boxes that close so beautifully, even though they're hard to open. They won't let your beads out until you're ready for them to get out. Alright, this collection, now it's got everything from, these are clear crackle. I was thinking that, yeah, these are a black and white crackle. So there's everything from the crackle to the pearl, and those are really stunning, to these variegated colors. Even these are almost like a little howlite. See if I can get those close enough for you to see. And then you've got these, I don't even know what you call them. They remind me of a milk glass. But these remind me of moonstone. These are really pretty. Alright. So, even these frosted ones. A gray, a transparent gray, that's what I should have said. These are more like a solid gray. These are a black. Just stunning combinations. These are like, I don't know if you can see it, but they almost got like a white threading that runs through them, through these gray beads. Really, I could just spend hours looking at these. They're so gorgeous. I can't wait to use them in designs. Okay, so that is the unboxing for BeeBeeCraft. I really can't tell you how much I love these. Thank you so much to BeeBeeCraft for contacting me, and for sending me these gorgeous beads to review. I really couldn't be happier. I can't wait to order some on my own. So far the quarantine thing is going alright. I actually had to get out today because one of the neighbor's horses went down, so she needed help getting it into the trailer to get it to the vet. So that's where he's gone. I'm sure he'll be back in no time. So we can spend another day together.